Here it is. We're in the 1% though. That goes from north to south in a single day. That's epic. Check this out, guys. Look at this sick view.
Are you ready?
Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Triple P. How you guys doing? Alright guys, in this video, this is going to be a super short tutorial on how to get a challenge checker on your challenge cache that you're looking to put out. Like, what are the steps, how to do it, how to go about it, all this stuff. Let's go ahead and dive in and get this party started. Alright guys, so we have the website up for where you're going to want to start. You're going to want to go to project-gc.com. If you've watched any of my other tutorial videos, this will look familiar. Once you're here, it's pretty simple. All you're going to do is click on Tools, go over here to the right where it's highlighted. You're going to click on Challenge Checkers. So down here, these are a running list of challenge checkers that are already like ready to go for just other stuff. But what you want to do is you want to click on Challenge Checker Forum. So click on that, and that's going to take you to the next step. Once you're done with Challenge Checker Forum, this is going to load up. And right here is this box right here where it says Checker Request. That's what you're going to want to click on. So let's click on that. Trying to get one put in. What you need to do is you need to click on New Topic. So you click on New Topic. It's going to load this up. You put the subject here. Make sure you put like challenge checker or something in the title. Then in the body of the text, you want to put a couple things. You want to put the GC code for the cache that you're trying to get a checker for. And then you want to put the stipulations for what you're looking for. And then you just hit post message. So let's go back. So I'm going to click on this one. And this gives you a list of what I'm looking for. So right here it says, this is my message. It says, Happy Holidays. I'm in the hunt for a challenge checker that will be used for the following cache. Right here is the GC code. Then you go down. Here's what the checker needs to check for. You keep it super simple. 1,000 finds in Hamilton, Butler, and Montgomery County. 230 finds in Miami County. And then you can go down. Then this guy here, he will give you a link to the challenge cache. He will make it and send it to you. Go ahead and click on that. And that will give you the challenge checker. From here, you'll see that there's stuff over here on the right. What you want to do is you want to click on link, and these are your examples. This one down here on the lower left, this is the preferred one. So to get it to look like this, all you have to do is highlight this here, right click, hit copy, then you can hit close. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to the geocache that I'm looking to get published that is a challenge cache, and I'll show you what to do with that link. Alright guys, so we're now on the geocaching page and we're ready to put that challenge checker in. If you remember, we copied it from the projectgc.com page. Now, as you can see right now, this challenge cache page, which I am going to put out, it doesn't have a checker on it at the moment. So how do you get the checker on the page? Like all you see in all the other recent challenge caches that have come out, they all have challenge checkers. Let's take a look on how to do that. So you've got right here, you've got edit cache. You're going to go ahead and click on that. Okay, once the page loads, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to give the option of like the type of cache, the title, the date you hit it, the rating, but that's okay. Let's focus on putting the challenge checker into the cache page. So what you need to do is you need to go down to the description portion of it. You're going to scroll down, and at the bottom, you're going to copy and paste the checker into the description. What that's going to do is it's going to put it on your geocaching page. To see that, all you have to do is hit save and preview. As you'll see here in just a second, the checker will magically appear on the geocaching page and you'll be good to go. Let's scroll down and take a look. There it is. So now this checker will be used for anybody that's interested in trying to qualify for this challenge cache. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for me. I hope you found this tutorial pretty informative, and I hope it helps you with a future challenge cache that you're going to be putting out. If you're not a Geocaching with Triple P subscriber, I really hope you'll consider subscribing so you can help me reach my sub goal of 300 subs. I'll see you guys out on the trail. Have a good one.